I'm adding pepper, salt, Maggi. I'm using this for NKWOBI. I'm always using cow leg for the NKWOBI sauce. So leave it to cook together. When you are making NKWOBI, you don't need curry, you don't need thyme. All you need is just Maggi, salt and pepper. So leave it to cook. For the NKWOBI, you need cow meat, red oil, potash, onions, utaz leaf, crayfish and pepper. You need red oil, potash, to thicken the oil, you need crayfish, pepper, you add little bit Maggi. A little bit of salt. Nice. You add your cow meat, when you are making NKWOBI sauce, you don't need bone in your cow meat. You have to take the bone out. that you can enjoy it very good. I'm adding my utazuli. I'm garnishing it with onions. This is the finishing of NKWOBI. This is the finished look of the NKWOBI. It's so yummy.